Welcome, in front of me is a Xiaomi Redmi 9, and today I'll show you how to insert SIM and SD card into the device. So to get started, we will need a SIM ejector. This comes provided with the device in a box, so you can get it from there, or you can also use a paper clip, straighten out one of the ends, and it should work just as well. But once you have it, you actually take off the case from the phone so I can take out the tray. There we go. So the tray is located on the upper left side of the device, or right over here where the pen is holding. Once you push it in, the tray will pop out, and when you take it out, you have space for one SD card and two SIM cards, and I'm gonna occupy one of each. There we go. Once you insert it, make sure that the cards are laying flush on the tray, and then while holding them securely so they don't fall out, insert it back into the device, and that's about all you need to do. Now, if you have some kind of pin on your SIM card, you will need to confirm it. I do, as you can see. And there we go. So that's the SIM card working, obviously. And the rest, the SD card. So both of them are working just fine. And that is how you insert it. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.